warm welcome to our class. Do you enjoy our previous class? Say yes or no? Yes. In previous class we have learned about some 8 families. Which are they? AB family, AG family, AD, AM, AN, AX, AP, AS, AT, AR. Okay. Today we are today we have learned about some words and some pictures. Can you see? Can you see the old some pictures in your text? Page number 9. Page number 9. Okay, the first word is first. Can you see the picture? This is a cab. What is that? Cab. Say loud. Cab. Okay, what is this? This is a taxi. Okay, this is a taxi. Okay, here the word, what is that? Cab. Say loud. Cab. What is the spelling? C-A-B. Cab. Say loud. Cab. C-A-B. Cab. Okay, can you see the picture cab? Can you see? Can you see? This is a taxi. This is a taxi. What is the spelling? C-A-B. Okay. Here you should take your rough book and listen here. How should write? How should write? In previous class we have learned. Do you know? Yes. Okay, listen here. Start from the third line. C A B. What is that? C A B. C A B. Start from the third line. Okay, start from the third line. C A B. You have given the space. You should write here. Can you see? Can you see that? Here. Start from the third blue line and C A B. Can you see this? Can you see? And you should write 3 space cab. C A B. C A B. Okay. Once again. Listen here. Start from the third line. C A B. C A B. Okay. Next word is next here is a picture of what is that? Pad. Is a letter pad. What is that? Letter pad. What is the spelling pad? P A D. P A D. Say loud. P A D. Okay. Pad. Okay. Next word, what is that? Pad. What is the spelling? P A D. Pad. Say loud. Pad. Okay. How should write? How should write? Yes. Start from the third line. P A D. P A D. Pad. Say loud. Pad. Can you see the picture? Letter pad. What is pad? It is a letter pad. Can you see the picture? Letter pad here. Okay. You should write and take your pencil and you should write your text. P. Start from the third blue line and P A D. P A D. Can you see? Listen here. Start from the third blue line. P A D. Ending with second line. Second blue line. Ending with second blue line. Okay. What is that? Bag. Do you know bag? Yes. This is a bag picture. Can you see an yellow bag here? What is the spelling? B-A-G. Bag. Say loud. Bag. B-A-G. Say loud. Bag. Okay, how should I write that? Bag. S. B. A. G. What is that? Bag. B. A. G. Bag. Okay, children, you should take your text and you should write here. Start from the third blue line. B. A. G. B. A. G. B. A. G. Bag. Say loud. Bag. Okay, next word is, what is that? Can you see the picture? Fourth word. What is that? What is that? What is that? Jam. What is that? Jam. Do you like jam? I like all that. I also like jam. Do you like? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what is the spelling? J-A-M. Jam. What is the spelling? J-A-M. Jam. Say loud. Jam. How should I write jam? Listen here. J-A-M. Jam. What is the spelling? Jam. Once again. J-A-M. Jam. What is the spelling? Jam. Okay, you should write here. J. Jam. Can you see jam? Here, the start from the third blue line and going to this fourth red line. Then go to the second blue line. Okay. Then ending with the third blue line. Okay. Next word is, what is this? Pan. What is this? Pan. What is the spelling? P-A-N. Pan. How should write pan? S. You know that? P-A-N. Pan. What is that? Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Okay, take the book, textbook, and P-A-N. P-A-N. Pan. What is that? P-A-N. Pan. Next word is cap. What is that? Cap. What is the spelling? C-A-P. Cap. Say loud. Cap. Do you know cap? Can you see the picture? Here is a black cap. Can you see? What is the spelling? C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Okay. Next word, what is that? Cap. Okay, you should write here the start from the third blue line. C-A-P. What is that? C-A-P. Cap. What is that? Cap. Can you see? Okay. The next word is, what is that? Gas. What is that? Gas. What is the spelling? G-A-S. Gas. What G A S. Gas. G A S. Gas. Can you see gas? Can you see gas? Here, the second last picture, a red color thing. Can you see? Okay, you should write gas. Start from the third blue line. G A S. Gas. You should write three in three space. Okay, gas. G A S. Gas. Next word is hat. What is that? Hat. H A T. Hat. Say loud. Hat. What is the spelling? H A T. Hat. Okay. How should write hat? H A T. Hat. What is the spelling? H A T. Hat. Okay. This is a revised portion. In previous class, we have discussed about some word families. Here are, in these words are here. Cap. Next word is pad. And the next word is bag. Next word is jam. Here, jam. And the next word is pan. Here, pan. Next word is cap. Gas, hat. Okay, are you understood? All of you understood? All of you understood? Next, we are going to study match the following. What is that? Some words. Here are some pictures and some words are in the blackboard. Okay, can you see? Can you see the pictures and words? Okay. First, can you see what is this? What is this? What is this? This is a cap. Here, this is cap. This is cap. This is cap. No. This is no. This And the next picture is, what is this? Here is a letter pad. Pad. What is that? Pad. What is the spelling? P-A-D. Pad. Where is pad? Here. Okay, so you join the line to pad. And the last one is, what is this? Here is a man picture. Okay. So where is man? Here. So you join to man. Do you finish your work? Do you finish? Are you understood here? Are you understood these two pages? These two, here the words are understood? Cap. First word is hat, man, cap, pad, mat, jam. Okay. Next one is name the pictures. What is the name the pictures? Here are some pictures and some space for writing. First picture, what is this? What is this? This is a mat. What is this? This is a mat. Okay, you should write your mat. Listen here. M A T. M A T. Mat. What is that? M A T. Mat. Okay. Next word is next picture. What is this? This is a pan. What is that? Pan. What is the spelling? P A N. Pan. What is that? P A N. Pan. What is that? Pan. Okay. Then third picture is, what is that? Bag. What is this? Bag. How should we write bag? B A G. Bag. What is this? B A G. Bag. Okay. The fourth picture is, what is this? This is a jam. What is this? Jam. What is the spelling? J-A-M. Jam. Jam. What is the spelling? J-A-M. Jam. Okay. And the fifth picture is, what is this? Cap. What is this? Cap. What is the spelling? C-A-P. Cap. Say it out. C-A-P. Cap. How should I write cap? C-A-P. Cap. What is this? Cap. Okay, and the last picture is, what is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. What is the spelling? C-A-T. How should I write? C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, students, today learned about what is that some word families and some words: cap, pad, bag, jam, pan, cap, glass, hat. Okay, all of you study well and stay safe. This is lockdown time. Study well. Bye.